Hello everyone and welcome back to the final episode on the Ford Escort Cosworth restoration series. Today's the day when we're going to complete the vehicle and make this vehicle look showroom condition. If you haven't already checked out the previous episodes, make sure you go do that before watching this one. But now it's time for the final stage, which is a stage 3 machine polish and ceramic coat. The transformation throughout this entire series has been insane and I hope you've enjoyed it like I have. And there you have it, after 4 episodes and hundreds of hours, the Ford Cosworth Escort RS is now fully restored, looking showroom condition. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a brief description of this car's story if you haven't watched the previous episodes. If you haven't watched the previous episodes, part 1, 2 and 3, go check them out. Anyway, so this car actually came in with a bunch of stone chips and scratches and it was very worse for wear and it needed fully restoring. So what we did, we fully stripped the car and that's what it looked like when it was stripped. We painted the car, proceeded to correct the paintwork, then it came over to here, into Onyx Automotive for a full stage 3 machine polish and full ceramic coat. And this is the outcome. The boys have worked really hard and it's so amazing to see this work of art, this 30-year-old car that no longer looks 30 years old. I'm actually semi-speechless. The outcome of this is truly insane, but the whole car has been fully ceramic with Gion's ceramic coat. The windows have also been coated. Even all the black trim that was looking very grey and dull has also been ceramic coated. Even all around the mirrors here, all around here, the wipers, even the door handles that were very worn now look brand new. And as you can see, the paintwork as well, it's astonishing. But jumping onto the inside was also very dusty. Now it is fully restored. The seats look brand new, all the plastics look brand new. What a transformation. But now the car has been ceramic coated, it is now very water repellent, so if there's any future contamination like dirt or bird poo or any kind of contamination that sticks to your paint that's very hard to get off, it now makes this car very easy to wash and will keep it clean for a very long time. Same with the coating on the windows and everywhere else that I mentioned. It is all fully protected. We've even protected the wheels, even on the inside of these spokes right here. It's all fully protected, even on the inside of the alloy as well. Even the arch has been fully cleaned out, so even the arches look clean, which you would never expect. So yeah, every cranny on this car where it's possible to be protected or cleaned has been fully cleaned. Even in the gaps, even the gaps under the rubbers have also been cleaned, and all the door shuts, which I'll show you right now. All the door shuts have also been protected and cleaned. As you can see, not a single mark. If you enjoyed this series, please check out the previous episodes if you haven't already, and leave a like on every single episode. And if you guys want any kind of PPF, detailing, ceramic coat, or if you need any panels repaired, please check out our body shop as well. All the links are down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.